we have here is a strong clip-on airflow fan. Golfing or small carts, boats, cars, anywhere where you need to put a fan in the garage or room, hanging up anywhere. We're going to open up the box, show you how nicely this is presented. You have a piece of foam, an instruction guide in a number of languages, the fan protected by film, and a USB-C charging cable. The charging cable is about 2.5 feet, plugs into the back of the unit to a USB-A port. In this demonstration purposes, we're going to use our own charger, and we are charging the unit up. It'll take a number of hours to charge. You have a nice soft white light that blinks per 25%. If you need to remove a battery, a flat screwdriver, simply pry the back very gently. Take the battery out, replace a new battery in. It has a USB-C input and a USB-A input. Check online for further details about your battery pack. You are still able to charge the unit while in the off and out state. If you need to run your fan via USB-C port, you plug in, use the fan, and run it. It goes off and on, off and on. That is one of the speeds of the fan. The fan has 4 speeds by simply hitting the button once, speed number 1. That is a gentle on and off breeze. Speed number 2, which is low, medium, high, and off. When using the timer, turn on the fan. Choose the time. To cancel the timer, simply hit the fan 3 times to the different speeds and it will cancel out in the off state. When you're completed, you can either turn the fan off or the power off during whatever cycle fan speed you are on. And you can let this time out or shut off like so. If you are clipping to a table like so, in this demonstrations, we're going to do it upside down so we can show you the parts that are on here. You have this particular area that's going to screw on. And it's going to apply pressure to the clip that you open and spread. As it pushes down on the pressure point over here, it prevents the fan from slipping off. If you want to hang the fan on anything, a hook, a rope, a pole, you have a hook that's adjustable. When removing, unloosen and ready to hang up elsewhere. The fan has a special grip. It's rigid, as you can see. It swivels and adjusts to the angles. When you want to use your fan on battery power, unplug the cable, and when the battery is fully charged, take out. It has an on and off button so you can see the amount of power. And you can simply slide in and gently press in. The fan also has feet on the bottom, so you can close up the hook, store away in its little spot, and can lay on the table with those little padded feet. You're out camping, hiking, on a boat, on a cart, and you need a place to put your fan to hook up and keep you cool and turn on. This is a fan that's adjustable that gives you that gentle breeze as you need it. It's removable, very easy to put anywhere and hang up. Overhead, on an umbrella pole. Even on a tree branch, right overhead to keep you nice and cool. It is a 5 volt 2 amp fan with 3.3 watts with a 10,000 milliamp battery with a 360 degree swivel. It is weather resistant to a certain extent. It can be hung anywhere imaginable. I hope you enjoy your HandFan. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.